Welcome back to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show. Say, I'm Opal.
Wow.
And I'm Mommy.
Nanny.
Yeah. And today, we're going to be making Jello cookies.
Cookies.
Yep, they're going to be raspberry.
Basket.
Yep, they're going to be pink
Peach.
for Valentine's Day.
Peach.
Right? So we're going to start with our butter. And we're going to put sugar
Sugar.
into them. And then we're going to beat them.
Go.
You ready? Let's do it. Pour it in. Good job. What is this again? This is sugar. Oh, okay. Yep, that's fine. You can do that. Pour this in. Very good job, Opal. What are you doing? Very good. It's been softening for 3 days because I thought I was going to make this the other day. So actually it's pretty soft. And Opal's going to experience the electric mixer for the first time. What do you think, Opal? Pretty cool, huh? Quite soft. That's pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Yay!
Yeah.
Hey, Opal. How did Reese eat her Jello with her spoon? Now we pour in the Jello. You want to pour it in? Go ahead. Good job. That's what's going to make it pink. And then we're going to stir it. Next we add the eggs.
Ice. Ice. Brownish ice. Ice.
Yay! It's looking kind of weird. We just measured out our flour and our salt. And now we're going to do the baking powder. And she almost poured the whole thing of baking powder in there, which would have really changed up the result a little bit, huh? Good job.
Yay.
Now we're going to mix the dry ingredients together. Dry ingredients. And then we're going to mix the wet ingredients together with the dry ingredients. There were bubbles in there, and now that we put the dry ingredients, they're gone. So Opal's saying, Bubble, where are you?
Uh-oh.
She just grabbed the spoon out of the sugar bowl for the coffee and decided we needed a little more sugar in these cookies. Okay, I think that's enough sugar now, Lovey. All done. We had to switch locations to do the cookie sheet part. Alright, so it says tablespoon, and then we roll it into a ball. Let's see how she responds here. Can you put this on the sheet? Good job, Opal. Just, yep, put it right. No. Just put it right on the sheet, okay? Just leave it there, maybe. Yep. Good job. Pre-frosting. Woohoo! Woohoo!